Today in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change Facebook name. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to your internet and you have already logged into your Facebook account. This is very easy and simple process. This process is similar for Android and iOS device. Watch this video till the end so you will know how to change Facebook name. Now let's get straight into the process. Open your Facebook app. Here we go. After opening it, your home page appears. Now at the bottom right corner here you can see 3 horizontal lines menu. Tap on that. Now go to the option settings and privacy which is given at the bottom. Tap on that. Now tap on the option settings. Now at the top you can see personal and account information option. Tap on that. Now tap on name option. Now here you can change your name. You can clear your old name in this way and then create new name. You cannot change your name for 60 days from now. After you are done, you can tap on review change on that blue icon. You have to enter your Facebook password to confirm it and then tap on save changes. You can see that I have easily changed my Facebook name. I hope now you guys are clear about how to change Facebook name. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Also hit that bell icon so you guys get notified every time we post new videos. Comment down below what you guys wanna see next. Thank you.